Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. The code execution cannot proceed because edgegdi.dll was not found in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To resolve this error, open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key plus R, then type %windir% and click OK. Scroll down and locate a folder named syswow64. Double-click it to open. Inside this folder, scroll down and copy any .dll file. Paste it in the same directory. When prompted, click Continue. Now rename the copied file to edgegdi.dll. Click on a space to save the name. Then confirm by clicking Yes. That's it, job done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more useful Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. Take care.